Ishabon Guru in the house, back with another bang on video. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, in this video exclusively we are going to talk about one person, Thomas Partey, and not only that, we're going to talk about Hosam Aouar, I think so, but more importantly, we're hooked about Lucas Torreira leaving Arsenal. Where is his future, which lies, and also we're going to talk about Shkodran Mustafi, but more importantly, this man in the picture is definitely the one that we're going to talk about more. So let's talk about it. Until yesterday, these were the news that ideally Arsenal will want both Aouar and Partey. However, they may have to settle for just one owing to their financial situation. If they move for the Lyon star instead, then Partey will have to refocus on Atletico, frankly, where he doesn't want to be anymore. These were the news yesterday, and also Arsenal have rejected an Atletico Madrid's first offer of a loan with an option to buy for Lucas Torreira. According to Matteo Pedrosi, the next 48 to 72 hours were supposed to be decisive. Also, even Diario AS actually confirmed that Atletico Madrid have received confirmation that Atletico Madrid and Arsenal are in active talks regarding Torreira. Despite interest in Thomas Partey, the current conversation are solely focused on striking a deal for Lucas. Atletico have proposed a loan formula, but more importantly, well, Bruno Mazziotti, yes, according to David Ornstein, Arsenal have agreed a deal to bring Brazilian medic Bruno Mazziotti to the club from Paris Saint-Germain. He will join the terms of his exit from Paris Saint-Germain have been finalized. So yes, Bruno Mazziotti, I know who's bringing him here, and it's just one person, Edu Gaspar. But moving on, let's talk about Hosam Aouar. Yes, Hosam Aouar, just like Alex Lacazette's this image. Yes, you can see the image. I can expand it for you. Yes. Now you'll ask me how exactly we'll come to know if Hosam Aouar has liked it with this image. Yes, Hosam Aouar has liked that image alongside Willian and AFTV Media. So yes, you can understand this pretty much part that yes, Hosam Aouar is definitely interested. But moving on, although Thomas Partey is not on the Torreira negotiations, everything indicates that Arsenal will push in this regard. The Ghanaian is a name that both clubs will have to discuss at some point. Yes or yes. But also, reports in England regarding Mustafi to leave Arsenal for Napoli or Lazio are picking up pace. A permanent deal for around 10 to 13 million pounds is being discussed for the German, who is in the final year of his contract. Mustafi is open to leaving soon. Salary still needs to be sorted. Yes, for now, salary is the issue for the players actually. So let's see how things will turn out. But moving on, let's talk about different stuff. Well, the move taking Arsenal to Thomas Partey to Arsenal is in full motion, according to Transfer Exchange show as well. But more importantly, let's talk about it. Arsenal women tweeted out, "Thank you for 300k followers. Thank you for your support, Gooners." Yes, 300k followers for Arsenal women Twitter. Congratulations. Well, a source from Atletico is laughing at the fact that Thomas Partey will come to Arsenal. Yes, it says Lucas Torreira is an option only if Hector Herrera leaves. And yes, Atletico is looking for solutions for the Mexican who has a community passport, and more importantly, Thomas is staying according to him. But moving on, according to Mundo Deportivo, Hector Bellerin's salary is quite high compared to Barcelona's other options at the right back position that they want to sign instead of the one that they sold, that is Nelson Semedo. He is not a likely option for the Blaugrana because of the salary. Imagine Barcelona saying that. But moving on, well, Simon Collins has reported, as reported by others, Runarsson arrived at Arsenal back end of last week for medical. The deal is now all wrapped up. Understand that there is an outside chance that he could feature against Leicester City on Wednesday. But moving on, well, congratulations for Gilles Roux and Viviane Miedema. Our Dutch duo have been named both nominated for the Barclays FAWSL Player of the Month award. I have voted for Miedema. You can go and vote for Gilles Roux. Well, I have voted for Miedema. Go check Arsenal Women Twitter and go vote for any one of them. But talking about more stuff, Lucas Torreira is no longer a priority signing for Torino. Club director Davide Magnati has told Sky in Italy, so he's not a priority for Torino anymore. So yes, let's move on. Well, according to another source, Newcastle thought that they had the deal done for Rob Holding, yes, and holding on loan, and are still shocked that the move didn't materialize. Newcastle had even gone as far as sorting a house out ahead for Rob Holding. They already planned to give him a house, man. Wow. My goodness, Newcastle are really 2 steps ahead, man. But moving on, well, Mikel Arteta left his post-match press conference after being asked about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's new haircut. Why do people? Oh my God, these journalists really embarrass themselves sometimes. He was asked about Aubameyang's new haircut, and actually he laughed off and stormed out of the press conference. Mikel Arteta never changed, bro. And Torreira is in talks with Atletico Madrid, but the deal doesn't affect Partey's future. Arsenal a few weeks ago were insisting on negotiating a deal that included Lacazette for Partey, but that was not successful. But talking about different stuff, Arsene Wenger once said, "I miss Arsenal because I left my heart in there. I gave my life to this club for 22 years. Every minute of my life was dedicated to this club. I support Arsenal. It can be forever my club." My God. Moving on, looks like Arsenal and Chelsea are exploring the possibility of doing a business with one another. Yes, Chelsea and Arsenal are supposed to do a business with one another, and it looks like, according to Law Top 20, it is happening. But who and what? If I get to know about it, you'll come to know about it. Don't worry. Well, most completed passes in the opposition half in the Premier League match this season. Dani Ceballos is third in the list against West Ham for his 56 passes in the 90 minutes that he played against West Ham. So Dani Ceballos, well, he's off the hook, man. But moving on, Arsenal would not averse to commitment to spending money now for any Torreira commitment, even if the prospective suitor does not pay up until the summer of 2021, though they would naturally prefer a more immediate deal. So looks like also ahead of the final 2 weeks of the windows, here's where Arsenal are at right now. Runarsson announcement coming, no progress on Guendouzi's sale, and Torreira's latest that we all know what is happening, because a new goalkeeper has been secured in Alex Runarsson, who has completed his medical ahead of a £1 million deal from Dijon. Yes. And though Arsenal remain interested in David Raya, Brentford's reluctance to sell means the Icelander is currently set to fill the gap left by Emiliano Martinez. And if a current third choice Matt Macy also moves on, then Arsenal will enter the goalkeeping market with renewed purpose, but a key factor in selling Martinez was funding moves elsewhere. But moving on also, Arsenal want at least one midfielder according to James Benge in the form of Partey, or rather, how should I say this? Hossein Aouar. And every game without a full stadium, it is £3.2 million lost for Arsenal. So let's see how things will turn out. But moving on, Atletico Madrid could have two more Uruguayan players in the next few hours with Luis Suarez and Lucas Torreira, according to Canal Plus. And yes, Arsenal woman boss Joe Montemurro has been named for the Barclays FAWSL Manager of the Month. Go vote for him as well. And let's talk about the elephant in the room. Atletico Madrid only want Lucas Torreira on loan, not currently interested or discussing any move to use him as a make weight in any deal for Thomas Partey. More on it. Keep watching the video, because we're going to talk about Shkodran Mustafi's 50 million euros asking price. Yes, Arsenal is asking 15 million euros for Shkodran Mustafi is accessible for Lazio. But a deal could be closed between 10 to 12 million euros. Mustafi's contract situation, which runs out in 2021, is ideal for Lazio's insertion, and a sale seems likely, according to Corriere della Sera. It looks like Mustafi is about to leave Arsenal. And talking about more so, because Nketiah has opened up about some avenues about Oba. He says, Oba's a great player, and I've had a privilege of playing alongside him for a little while now. He's a top striker, and that's where I want to be in the future. Let's address the whole Thomas Partey situation. By the virtue of Atletico Madrid benefiting from the government support plan last season, what they can spend on new assignments is estimated at only 25% of the sales profits. Yes, Atletico Madrid currently sees no great benefit by accepting an offer involving a player and 20 to 25 million pounds if they can only spend about 6 million of them for Thomas Partey. Only 6 million. I'm sorry, I said 8 in my I think it was maybe the pound to euro changes, but 6 million is what they can spend if they sell off Thomas Partey for a swap deal plus cash. And Arsenal have been in regular contact with Thomas Partey's agent for the past 2 weeks. The players' camp was waiting for the start of September at the latest to complete the transfer, but Arsenal explained to them the reason for the delay and what the next stage will bear. Tranquility and confidence prevail in the situation. Do not let the noise coming from Spain disturb your day. And circle close to the negotiating table confirm that Thomas Partey's agreement to the personal conditions and that Arsenal will sign with the player by activating his release clause. Now the question is when? This was to take place between late August, early September. However, the club is currently focusing on another file and press reports, which is Hosam Aouar. So yes, and also Arsenal has its own view and reasons that Edu explained to the player's agent, Thomas Partey's agent. Thomas Partey's deal will take place at the time Arsenal chooses. 14 days left until the end of the transfer market. We waited too long and not much left for us. So only one thing is happening, and that and only one thing is happening now. Hosam Aouar and Thomas Partey is both the players that Arsenal are looking for. Yes, it's been confirmed, and I personally believe that, oh my god, Arsenal fans, you got to be excited because both the deals are happening, man. Yes, both the deals are happening, and my goodness, it is going to be a very well, I would love it. I would really love it. So stay tuned if I have more news, and do join my live tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure we are on a mission of reaching 12,000 subscribers. Please help us reach 12,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Let's make hit the likes as well if you like the video, and make sure the best place to be for Arsenal transfer news is this place. So stay tuned. And this channel, if this channel was ever recommended to you by YouTube, don't worry, if you're seeking daily Arsenal news, this is the best channel to be in. I will see you in my next video. Help us reach 12,000 subscribers. Cheers.